Mababa ba ang views mo? Baka ito yung reason. Nakaka-frustrate pag ganito lang yung views mo. 5 views, 3 views, 2 views. Alam mo yung nakakalungkot? Halos kapamilya mo lang yung nanonood niyan or yung dalawang cellphone mo lang. Walang strategy, walang technique, walang storya. Yan yung rason. But here's the solution. I discovered a technique created by Owen H. It is called grape technique, grabbing attention. The first 3 seconds of your video is the most important part. Put some hook on your video. You can start it by using questions, stating facts, providing instant value, address a pain point. Katulad nung start ng video na to, restate the problem. This is a sample of restating the problem. Nakaka-frustrate pag ganito lang yung views mo. 5 views, 3 views, 2 views. Binibigyan din mo yung statement mo. Explain the solution. Etong part na to na iniisa-isa ko na yung great technique. Ito yung explaining the solution part. Gets? Add an actual proof. By inserting a B-roll, image man yan or video, it can strengthen your statement. Here's an example.
Nagka 2 million views yung isang video ko at 150,000 naman yung isa. Dahil in-apply ko yung technique na to.
That's adding an actual proof. Tell them what to do. Sa last part ng video ko, I always put CTA or call to action para merong gagawin yung mga viewers ko after manood. This technique is applicable kahit ang video mo ay entertainment o vlog type. You just have to be creative. I hope may natutunan ka sa video na to. Comment mo yung paborito mong hook. Good luck and follow for more.